Hello, friends, and welcome back to Vinnie the Bear's Corner of the Forest. It's me, Vinnie, your favorite science bear, and I'm so excited you're here. Today, we're going to do some super cool, super fun science experiments that will make you say, wow. But remember our most important rule, safety first. Always have a grown up, like your mom, dad, or a teacher, with you before you try any of these amazing experiments. Are you ready? Let's put on our thinking caps and our safety goggles. First up, we have the incredible bouncy egg. All you need is a raw egg and some regular white vinegar. Carefully place the egg in a jar and pour enough vinegar to cover it completely. Now for the tricky part. We have to wait. Leave it for a day or two. When you come back, the hard shell will be gone. Gently rinse the egg with water, and you'll have a squishy, bouncy egg. The vinegar has a special acid that dissolved the eggshell, which is made of something called calcium carbonate. How neat is that? Next, let's have some fun with balloons and oranges. You'll need a balloon and the peel from an orange. First, blow up the balloon. Now, take a piece of the orange peel and squeeze it near the balloon. Pop. The balloon bursts. Why did that happen? Well, orange peels contain a special oil called limonene. This oil is a solvent, which means it can dissolve the rubber of the balloon, making it weak and causing it to pop. It's like a secret weapon hidden inside a yummy fruit. Are you ready for some water magic? For this one, you'll need a plastic bottle, some water, and a sharp pin, and definitely a grown-up to help. Your grown-up will poke a few small holes in the side of the plastic bottle. Now fill the bottle with water all the way to the top and quickly screw the cap on tight. Turn the bottle upside down. Look, the water isn't leaking out. But why? It's because of something called air pressure and surface tension. The air outside the bottle is pushing on the holes, and the water molecules are all holding on tight to each other, creating a kind of skin that stops the water from escaping. Now watch what happens when you unscrew the cap. Whoosh! Science is so cool. Let's try another experiment with fire and water. Please be extra careful and make sure your grown-up is right there with you. We need a paper cup, some water, and a candle. Your grown-up will light the candle. Now, if we hold an empty paper cup over the flame, what do you think will happen? That's right, it will burn. But what if we fill another paper cup with some water and then hold it over the flame? Look, the cup doesn't burn. The water inside the cup is absorbing all the heat from the flame. Since water needs a lot of heat to boil, it keeps the paper from getting hot enough to catch fire. It's like the water is protecting the cup. Amazing. Okay, let's bring some movie magic right into our homes with a DIY 3D hologram. You'll need a piece of clear plastic, like from a CD case, a marker, a ruler, scissors, and your smartphone. Ask your grown-up to help you cut the plastic into four identical trapezoid shapes. Then tape them together to form a small pyramid. Now go to YouTube and search for hologram video. Place your pyramid upside down on the center of your phone screen. Turn off the lights and watch the magic. A 3D image will appear right inside your pyramid. This works because the video projects for images and the sides of your pyramid reflect them to create one floating 3D picture in the middle. For our last experiment, let's get a little slimy and make some worm magnets. We're going to make some special magnetic slime. For this, you'll need some glue, liquid starch, and some iron oxide powder. Mix the glue and some water, then slowly add the iron oxide powder and stir it all up. Finally, your grown-up can help you add the liquid starch little by little until you get a gooey, slimy blob. Now grab a strong magnet. As you bring the magnet close to your slime, the slime will reach out and eat the magnet. It's like the slime is alive. That's because the iron powder we added is magnetic, turning our whole blob of slime into a giant wiggly magnet. Wow, what a day of discovery! We made an egg bounce, popped a balloon with an orange, defied gravity with water, protected a cup from fire, created our own holograms, and even made magnetic slime. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Science is all around us, just waiting to be explored. Remember to always be curious and keep asking questions. Thanks for hanging out in Vinnie the Bear's corner of the forest. Like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye bye.